If you are looking for a homemade buns that are incredibly soft, fluffy, and made with simple ingredients, then you are in the right place. This recipe is so easy to follow and the results are absolutely worth it. So let's get started. Into a bowl, add 1 cup of warm milk, 1 tablespoon of yeast, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Give everything a good mix, then cover and let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. So these steps wakes up the yeast and helps create that soft, airy texture that we are looking for. Once the yeast is nice and foamy, crack in 2 eggs and add 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Mix until everything is fully combined and smooth. Now it is time for the flour. Add 4 cups gradually instead of all at once. This makes the dough much easier to mix and gives you better control over the texture. As soon as the dough comes together, knead it for about 5 to 8 minutes. You will notice it becoming smoother, softer, and more elastic with every minute. And trust me, this step is what gives the buns that beautiful fluffy texture. Lightly grease your dough with 1 teaspoon of oil. Cover it and let it rise until it doubles in size. Depending how warm your kitchen is, this usually takes a little over an hour. Now gently punch the dough down to release all the trapped air. Roll it out evenly, then go ahead and cut any shape you like. I simply use a cup here because it is quick, easy, and gives me that perfect round buns every time. So you can choose any shape you like. Now arrange them on a tray, leaving a space between each, then cover again and let them rest for another 20 minutes. This second rise makes them even lighter and fluffier after frying. Heat your oil over low to medium heat. Don't rush this part. Fry the buns slowly, turning them over once each side becomes beautifully golden brown. Cooking them gently helps them to cook all the way through while staying soft inside. And just look at that. Golden on the outside, incredibly soft on the inside, and so light and fluffy. You can enjoy them just as they are or finish them with your favorite toppings. So I kept mine simple with a generous dusting of powdered sugar, and they turn out absolutely delicious. Every bite is soft, airy, and melts in your mouth. If you love easy homemade recipes like this, don't forget to save this recipe, give it a try, and let me know how yours turn out. See you in the next one. Bye.